How was this year's staff week for you?
This is my first time here in Varna on your International Staff Week, and my first impression is that I'm very, very satisfied. I want to thank you for this event, for this very nice organization and opportunity to meet a lot of interesting and new people. Everyone in Erasmus knows that connections are very important, and this is the right place and time to find new people, to meet new people from another countries and make new connections and collaborations.
Okay, thank you. My next question is, what was the highlight of this week for you? What was the best moment for you during this week?
Life is not only the job, so I enjoyed the funny part of this week, like a quiz, like a moment of learning Bulgarian language. So it was very interesting for me, and we had a great time.
Okay, thank you. So another question I'd like to ask you is, did you manage to make any good partnerships here?
Yes, I mentioned that I met a lot of interesting people and very good future partners who are also interested in agreements with my institution, and I'm very happy because of that.
So will you come back here to join us on the next year's Staff Week?
Of course, I think that someone from my institution will participate for your next international week. Actually, I'm sure, because when they hear my impressions, everyone probably will want to come here again.